Alright, so let's go ahead and open up our oven and retrieve the swordfish. Keep in mind, this whole pan is going to be super, super, super hot, so don't do anything silly like grab a hold of it with your bare hands. So we're going to take our swordfish out, and we're just going to set it on our plate. And then we're going to take all these wonderful pan drippings here. That's where the lemon comes into play. So while the pan's still hot, we're going to squeeze that lemon right into the pan. Reason being is that the acid that's in lemon juice will deglaze the pan. And accidentally drop some lemon and some seeds right into the pan, which isn't cool. So the acids in there are going to deglaze the pan. They're going to get any of the, the brown stuff, the flavor out of the bottom of the pan. You might have to take a spatula to kind of assist it. So I'll just give it a once around here with the spatula. So now we're just going to add the garlic. Give it some heat. And our lemon zest. And since there's already some oil in there, we don't need to add any more right now. The butter is going to go in at the very, very end, and you'll see that. So, a little bit of salt, hit of pepper. And so, that's pretty much our sauce right there. So let's go ahead and kill the heat.